There is a way to effortlessly cure emotional mess, emotional disturbance, and there is a way to cure easily. The one who cannot express his emotion and keep them all inside, always stuck. The right and the left hemisphere can be balanced with a very powerful and easy inner tool. Pranayama Nadi Shuddhi. The human brain has two hemispheres. The right one is related to our creativity, our emotion, our intuition, all those kinds of things. While the left side of the brain is related to mathematics, logic, geometry, etc. And most of the modern human beings always have one of their hemisphere way more strong than the other one. For example, if your right hemisphere, which is seen as the feminine hemisphere, or in better word as Ida, if Ida is overbalanced next to the left hemisphere, then you will be an emotional mess. Your emotion will be compulsive, and this might even create anxiety within you. And if your left hemisphere of the brain is again overbalanced next to your right hemisphere, you will only be about mathematics, about logic, and anything that will not enter into what you already believe will be seen as utter nonsense. You might even not be able to show your emotion, always keep them within you, and look a bit dull, a bit boring. And the right hemisphere is known as the male hemisphere, and in better word, Pingala. And it is a fact that if we look at things existentially, without ego, just existentially, it is often women who tend to have a stronger Ida, more emotional trouble, and men often have a stronger Pingala, which means they often do not show their emotion and remain like a big block of stone. And in both ways, whether your Ida or your Pingala is overbalanced, and in both ways you are mentally sick. So we must absolutely balance the right and the left hemisphere of the brain as fast as possible. And Nadi Shuddhi, this divine inner tool, is our opportunity to effortlessly rebuild our inner chemistry and balance them together as one. Because all day long, you always have a nostril that is more stuck than the other one that is breathing better than the other one. And this goes on switching during the whole day, which means that sometimes you are more breathing from the right hemisphere and sometimes you are more breathing from the left hemisphere. But it is almost never equal at all. And in Nadi Shuddhi, we will allow ourselves to fully breathe in from the left hemisphere and then fully and equally breathe in from the right hemisphere. Therefore, both will be getting an equal amount of oxygen and prana, even though one of the circuit of your nose is more stuck than the other one. Because we will not leave the task to your subconscious, but we will take the task consciously and perform it. Now, how to perform Nadi Shuddhi? It is so easy. The left hand simply remain like this, laying here with the palms facing upward, while the right hand is held into this mudra. Using the thumb to block the right nostril, you will inhale consciously as slow as possible from the left nostril. When this is completed, you will exhale from the same nostril again. Once you exhaled from the left nostril, you will now switch and use those fingers here to block the left nostril, and you will take away your thumb. So now you can breathe from your right nostril. You will be inhaling as slow as possible from the right and exhaling as slow as possible from the right again. And this is all you need to do for Nadi Shuddhi. It is so easy. So remember, hold this mudra, left hand facing upward. Block your right nostril. Inhale and exhale from the left. Switch, inhale and exhale from the right. And as you will be doing this, your right and left hemisphere of your brain will be thanking you for taking care of them together. Nadi Shuddhi is so powerful that even if you have a strong headache, only performing Nadi Shuddhi can be enough to take it away effortlessly. It will calm the whole system, take away anxiety from you, and allow you to see life with both emotion, intuition, and mathematics and logic. You will become the perfect being, the perfect balance. And to perform Nadi Shuddhi, in their sadhana 108, you simply have to do it at the moment we say, which is either when you wake up or before sleep. But if you wish to do even more Nadi Shuddhi, then 15 minutes before and after sunrise and 15 minutes before and after sunset is the most powerful moment to do Nadi Shuddhi. And the reason is because at this moment, if you are just sensible and receptive a bit, you will notice that suddenly both of your nostrils seems to be more breathing equally or switching faster than any other time during the day. Therefore, it is even more powerful for Nadi Shuddhi. If you have any more questions about how to perform Nadi Shuddhi, feel free to ask me, and I will be there for you.